if you press right here, is it painful? If it's painful, there's a swollen lymph node located right there. And if that lymph node is swollen, it will block the drainage for your lymphatic system. And maybe you have a sore throat or you have a flu, and then this lymph node located right here is swollen. So you go like 3 centimeters or 2 fingers below your jawline, you go in like there, and you squeeze it, and I'm gonna pull it with my finger, make a hook with my finger, going in like this, squeeze it. Make sure you subscribe so you can learn more hacks like this, and this will drain this lymph node so you get better circulation to your throat, and maybe your sore throat or your flu or your swollen lymph node gets smaller and you get normal drainage to your throat. So my name is Rune Aabø. I try to teach you get pain-free, to get pain-free, and I have a free book, free ebook also about sinus drainage in my bio. So please make sure you subscribe so you learn more hacks like this. Thank you.